Now, meanwhile, ECI, Election Commission of India, shifts Punjab polling dates. The date of polls now on the 20th of February 2022, which is on the Sunday. Remember, the political parties in Punjab have been pushing for polls in Punjab to be deferred, citing Ravidas Jayanti. Now, here, Election Commission paying heed to the requests coming in from all political parties in Punjab have finally decided to defer polls in Punjab. The date of polls now on the 20th of February 2022 on a Sunday. This is the confirmation that we get. Poll-bound state of Punjab. Elections have been deferred to the 20th of February. It was earlier scheduled to be on the 14th of Feb, now is on the 20th of February. Aishwarya Paliwal joining us live for more on that. Aishwarya, finally the Election Commission makes a decision, announces that the poll dates for Punjab has been deferred from the 14th of February now to the 20th of February. On a Sunday is when the poll dates have been confirmed for. Take us through what more we know of this decision.
Well, we did see how, all the leaders were writing to the Election Commission. All of them wanted Election Commission to pay heed to the fact that a lot of people will be moving on these dates. And that is why the Election Commission has now, after they spoke with all the people, they have now taken the decision. The earlier date was 14th of Feb, which has now been moved to the 20th of Feb. So the elections in Punjab will now take place on 20th February. The date of counting remains as it is. The commission believes that because there will be so many people who will be moving, and also, we have seen from the Chief Minister to all the people, all the parties had been writing to the Election Commission and paying heed to that. The Commission has now shifted the dates, and they are also saying that now they will make sure that all the COVID protocols are followed, and the new date of elections now is 20th Feb.
All right, Aishwarya, thank you very much for joining us. But nonetheless, here, Aishwarya, we believe that all the political parties were all on the same page. Before I let you go, if you can tell me, all political parties, are they on the same page on this?
All the parties, and we did see how over the past 1 week, all the parties in Punjab, they had been sending feelers to the Election Commission. Official letters were also written. And now the Election Commission today held a very extensive meeting with the CEO of Punjab also. In fact, the Commission had asked the CEO of Punjab whether it was possible to shift dates. The CEO of Punjab gave his big thumbs up. He said that the state was ready. And if the Commission wanted, then instead of 14, the elections could be held on a later date, keeping all those things in mind and also making sure that all COVID protocols will be followed. The Election Commission today took the decision of shifting the poll dates from 14. The new date now is 20th Feb. The Commission believes that all the preparations have been done. It's just a matter of time now when we will see the dates now. The new date, Nabila, now for the elections in Punjab is 20th Feb. The date of counting remains as it is.
All right. Thank you very much, Aishwarya, for joining us with those details.